Welcome. In front of me I have the GoPro Hero 4K, and I'll just go over unboxing. I'll do a quick look at the action cam itself. Anyway, popping it open, we do have a pull tab at the bottom. So just yoink that off. Oh, that's nice. That's well hidden. Anyway, so that's basically everything we got. Nice little package. It opens up like so. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Well, that seems like a flaw. We get some stickers. Subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. Wait, subscribe to what? No questions asked. Okay. So just a bunch of mumbo jumbo to squeeze the most amount of money out of you. Anyway, inside we get our Type-C to Type-C cable, and we get our action cam. Now I do want to point out this one is actually smaller than what you get with the typical ones. Come on. I'm just gonna peel it off. Seriously. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay. Yank those off. Cool. As you can see, it is a pretty compact camera. One button around here. Oh no, two. So you have one information one and another one here. Got our SD card and charging. There we go. And that's about it. So there is no removable battery by the looks of it, so it's all built in there. And this looks kind of like it's coming off, but doesn't. No. So yeah, there we go. Now outside of the camera we also have a single one of the mounting setups. So you stick that to, for instance, like your helmet, and then this just connects to the bottom if you never use this. Come on, there we go. And you screw that through. I'm not even gonna bother screwing it all the way. And then you just plop that on here as it clips in through here. So you can then have it mounted to different surfaces. And that's all we have in the box. So anyway, that's about it. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.